Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download songs with Chrome on phone. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to first open our Google app, and then on the search bar, we're going to search for Pixabay. After doing so, just click on enter, and then you will see this first link. So just click that one. So once you're now here, what we're going to do is to scroll this, and then you will see this music. So once you click music right there, all you have to do is to scroll down, and then you will see a bunch of music that you can download with no copyright. So if you want to, let's say for example, download this, we're going to click on the download icon. And then once you click on download, the music will now be automatically downloaded into your phone. So to check it, all you have to do is to go into your download section, and then you will now be able to see it right here. So that is basically it.